rain.
You playing in the rain?
Yeah. Oh.
Look at your feet, Miggy. You playing in the rain? Go ahead, you can stay playing in the rain. You guys are pretty cute. Yeah, let's keep your hood on. Keep that hood on, girl. You having fun, big man?
Yeah.
You don't need shoes. Come on. You can splash around in the water. Look, Miggy doesn't have shoes. Come on, baby bear. Come on, baby bear. Are you, hey Mace, you having fun playing in the rain?
Me, fun, seven.
Big rain, a lot of rain, huh? Come up this way. Come up this way. Now come back up. You can walk back up in the water. You know what? We could put leaves down here and they'll swim away, or they'll wash away. Yeah, watch. We'll get one. We'll get one. Here, Dad'll go get one. Stay right there. Dad'll get one. Well, I'll get two. Because we need two. Because we got two babies. All right. All right, here. This is for you. Put it in the water. This is for you. Put it in the water. Come up here, though. Come up here. Up here. Up here. Do it like right here. All right, put it in the water. Bye, Leaf.
Bye.
Put yours in the water, Meso. Here you go, big man. Bye, Leaf. Bye, Leaf. It's okay, Mace. We'll get another one. Come on, Mace. We'll grab another one. Here, Ash, here's one. Grab this leaf. Mace, come here. Grab this leaf. Grab this leaf. And let's do it again. Then we're going inside. We'll go up higher. Go up higher. No, up farther. Oh, no, grab it. Oh, it's gone now. Here, bring this one. Bring it all the way up, Mace. Here you go, sissy. Come on, we'll do one more, and then we're going inside. Come on, Meso. No, Ash. Front tire looks low. Ash, come here. Ashley May. Come here, pretty girl. We'll get another leaf and do it. Here, you can do it with this. I see. Come here, pretty girl. Come here, pretty girl. Here, Mace, come put it up here. Here, Ash, put this in. Piece of wood. Come here, Ash. Here, put this in up here. Come on, put it in up here. Alright, put it in, guys. Here, I'll hold some water back so you can put it in. And then we'll let it go. Whoosh. You see it? It's all the way down there. Put yours in, Meek. We're going to go inside. My babies are cold. I saw you shiver. Bye, Leaf. Watch, it's going to get Ashley. Whoop, I got her. Alright, you guys want to splash on the water for one more second, and then we'll go inside?
Look how me do it. No.
I know, I see. Alright, come on, let's go inside, cute kids. Let's go inside, cute kiddos.